Okay, so we use Minecraft Education Edition to enhance our reading skills with Super 7. It is a class world, and you read books and you put your questions and all those things into OneNote, and then you put the stuff in OneNote into Minecraft. Okay, so here's our questions. We ask questions when we don't know about something, and then we copy it from OneNote into our Minecraft world. So, for example, one of our questions was what made Vikings good scientists, and then we just copied that from OneNote into Minecraft. So, yeah.
Next, we infer and predict. To infer and predict, you can predict what will happen on the next page, or you can predict what the whole story will be about. And here we predicted that they think the rest of the story is going to be about the history of Vikings. And then they explain why. And to put it in Minecraft, they can type it on a board or an NPC.
In Minecraft, you can just visualize, like in a story, if it's a chapter book or a picture book, you can look at the pictures or read, and you'll close your eyes and visualize in your head what it might actually look like in the scene. And then they visualized in the book, I can visualize being in a Viking and sailing in a stormy ocean.
Next, you monitor and clarify. To monitor and clarify, if someone has a question, you can answer it, or if you're reading a story and you're confused by something, then you can try to clarify it for yourself. For example, someone had a question about the word span, and it did not get answered. And someone had a question about the word monastery, and someone answered that it is a building that has valuable items.
So this is one of the connections they have. How you connect is to, if you have something that happened to you in real life, it's called text to self. You would write in OneNote why you had a connection, what connection you had to it. And then there's also, you put it into a sign or a board or an NPC in Minecraft. And then there's also text to text and text to world, where you connect to all these different, like you could connect to another book that was on the same topic, or on this that was connecting to the word, like a book about football. You could connect if you played football. This is an example of a text to self. I played a video game and I got a question about Vikings. And maybe if they read the book, that could have helped them answer the question that they had about the game. So as you can see, we have the visualize board. How you visualize is in a chapter book. If you want to know what's going on, you'll close your eyes or just imagine what the scene might actually be like because of words. And they said they can visualize being a Viking and sailing in stormy oceans. So how you visualize is what I just said, and then you'll just put it in OneNote and then copy and paste it onto a board or an NPC. So how you summarize it after every page or paragraph, you'll summarize to yourself or someone who you want to summarize to or ask you to summarize to them what had happened in the story or the page or paragraph that you're summarizing. And one summary that some people had was, so for the story Vikings has been about how the Vikings have raided many places and how many people were afraid of them. They talked about their ships and what they looked like. And last, they talked about the Vikings' heritage. That's just one summary.
Super 7 in Minecraft is fun and engaging, and most people don't even realize that they're learning because Minecraft is so fun, but they're actually learning a lot.
Super 7 in Minecraft.